Hey everyone, David here, the SF Angler. We're on our way home from the East Bay. I got like 30 minutes to fish on the way back. At a brand new spot, one rod with the Madam Lure swim bait. Striper are biting really good right now. It's mid-October, the fall run is in full effect. Let's see if we can get one on this beautiful evening in the bay. We ran into Mimi Fish and her dad Rich out here. They've been getting a bunch of striper lately. Go subscribe to Mimi Fish. Let's go! Oh! Good job, David! Woo! That's awesome!
East Bay striper for David! That might be keeper size.
Aye!
Oh, that's a hybrid.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because the stripes are broken up.
16. Not bad. That's the one Mimi let go the other day.
Got a striper. Only been fishing here for like 15 minutes. Met up with Mimi Fish. Let's let it go. Bit on the Madam Lure swim bait, white with the chartreuse tail. Biting my thumb. I think he's ready.
Yep,
there he goes. Uh-oh. Snagged. Got lucky. Oh, I'm on another one.
That one?
Yeah. Come on. This one feels nicer. Yeah, that's a nice one.
How big is the Asian metric?
Definitely.
Yeah, he's going home though, even if he's a keeper. Oh,
Going home or eating?
That's a beauty.
that's a nice one. Oh, I think that's a keeper for sure.
Put it late. Do a measure.
Yeah.
Get the sun
19 inches. Not bad. Get me a swim bait on it.
Another striper on the swim bait. This one's pretty nice. Measured out at 19 inches.
On the dot.
That's keeper size for California. They just gotta be 18. I'm just doing catch and release today. I don't really like to keep striper. Interesting comparison. I'm throwing the swim baits. Rich and Mimi are fishing bait. So far, 2 on the swim bait, nothing on the anchovies. All right, let's get it back. There he goes.
There he goes. See ya. Oh, there he is.
There he is. Luckily, everything went according to plan. I got 2 striped bass, a 16-incher and a 19-incher. And I'm gonna try to get back out here soon, either to this spot or other spots, because the fall run seems to be really good this year. And hopefully we can get a couple more striper. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time on SF Angler.